Now the second part says solve the equation. Equation here is starting from a as -4. Second term आपको -1 दिया हुआ है. Third term is 2 here and 5 as well. तो हमें यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. What is x in this case? That's the nth term of an AP. लास्ट टर्म है हमारे an बोलेंगे जिसको हम. और हमें sn भी गिवन है यहाँ पे. a भी गिवन है हमें यहाँ पे. d हम फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. That's nothing but -1 minus -4 would be there. तो ये आपका बन गया -1 + 4 which is 3 in this case. So difference in this case is 3. Sn की वैल्यू आप क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे? That's n/2 2a plus n minus 1d would be there. अब यहाँ पे you can understand कि n की वैल्यू तो है ही नहीं हमारे पास. n हमें फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. और वो कैसे होगा? Sn would be substituted as 437. n is as it is, 2 is as it is. 2 into a है ना. a की वैल्यू -4 पुट करोगे. Then you have n minus 1. d is there. d आपका 3 हो जाएगा. So you have is 437 into 2 would be there. Right side n आ जाएगा. And this is -8 plus 3n minus 3 would be there. So 437 into 2 would be 874. n is there. -8 minus 3 would be -11 in this case. And plus 3n is there. So 0 on the left hand side, -11n, then 3n square, and then you would have 874. अब this is nothing but a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation को हम कैसे solve करेंगे? Using middle term splitting, or you can use either quadratic formula for it. 3n square minus 11 and minus 874 is there. तो हमें इसको simplify करना है. अब simplify कैसे करोगे? You can take common. You can take the factors of 3 and 874. So multiplying 3 and 874 first of all, that would give you, that's nothing but 2622 और 2622 के हमें factors ढूंढने हैं so that I can have 11 for it. तो इसके दो factors क्या बनेंगे? 57 is there and 46 is there. So you would have 3n square minus 57n plus 46n minus 874. Now take common from the first two. 3n common आ जाएगा. n minus 19 is there. Last two में से आपने क्या करना है? -46 common लेना है. So -46 would be taken common and you would have n minus 19 would be there. So you have two factors now which would give you n value. That's 3n minus 46 equals 0 and the other value would be n minus 19 equals 0. So n की वैल्यू या तो 19 होगी या तो 46/3 होगी which is not in number. तो फ्रैक्शन तो एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर सकता n हमारा. अब हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है? n would be nothing but a plus n minus 1d. a की वैल्यू for us is -4 plus is there. n here is 19. 19 minus 1 हो जाएगा which is 18. और d की वैल्यू आपकी कितनी हो जाएगी? 3. So 18 into 3 would be nothing but 54 minus 4. That's 50. an would be 50 in this case for you.